In this video I'm going to show you how to conform text to a surface using a displacement map in Adobe Photoshop. First go to Layer, and Duplicate Layer. Under the document, select the new. Then click OK. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 2 pixel. Click on the adjustment layer icon, and create a hue and saturation. Drag the saturation slider all the way to -100. Then close Properties window. Go to File, and Save As. I'm going to name this displacement map. Save it to your folder as a Photoshop PSD file. And then I'm going to close that. Open your horizontal type tool, and click on your document and type out your text. And then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T to free transform. Drag these handles to resize the text. And then drag your text to a position you like. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. Make the horizontal scale 10. The vertical scale 10. The displacement map stretch to fit. And the undefined areas, repeat edges pixels. Then click OK. I'll find the displacement map PSD file that we saved earlier and double-click that. Decrease the fill to 0%. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Color Overlay. Click the color box. In the color picker, I'm going to choose mid-blue. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to linear burn. And the opacity, 100%. Select Bevel and Emboss. The style, Emboss. The technique, Smooth. The depth, 100%. The size, 10 pixel. The soften, 5 pixel. Check the use global light. The angle, 45 degree. The altitude, 30 degree. The highlight mode, linear dodge. The color, white. The opacity, 15%. The shadow mode, linear burn. The color, black. And the opacity, 15%. Then click OK. And this is the result. Thanks for watching.